Uh, Today meeting was after 1 year, 2 months. Finally, the minister agreed to a meeting today, and today was like engagement, like very friendly, very open. I mean, we had a very open talk. We also had today from Camben Island Incinerator Group is here, Mr. Suresh is here, and from Pango, Dr. Tan was here. And we from Kepong, we also brought the things what called incinerator issue. And we also submitted our memorandum with the petition of the 12,400 petition, 12,400 petition, 98 petition to our minister. And also we also put a 24 question to our minister to answer. And he asked up to Thursday. This Thursday, he will answer all our questions. So the meeting was very fruitful. He was responded very well, and he also offered that we should have a continuation dialogue meet up with him. So I think this is a very good sign on our struggle. So we hope the minister and the government will listen to Suara Rakyat.
So anyhow, we don't have any fruitful result yet because the minister did not disclose whether this project will be on or will be removed. It will depends very much on the DIA report. It will depends on whether we have the capacity to do it. If it's too costly, this also will say no. This is the answer from the minister. So it's not definite yet. So we hope that if in future meetups, maybe we can find a common solution to settle this garbage problem.
I think the questions we have submitted to the minister were something about the technicals, most about technical issues, and also about the safety, health, and also the environment, our concern. More on technical things. That's why the minister cannot answer on the spot during our meeting because he couldn't know all the details in his head. So he promised to give us the written answers in next Thursday. Then after that, we will have to take some time to digest it. Then we will hold another PC, maybe in the next Saturday. And overall, the meeting was described by our three speakers here. It was a friendly meeting rather than a fruitful meeting because there's no fruit can come out. So we cannot describe in this way. And the minister also, he promised that to meet us maybe in the near future also. And he is willing to engage with the people who represent the local people and who can articulate the problems. This is what he described. He more concerned about the people who can articulate the problems more precisely.